Hi students, welcome back. We are going to discuss question number 3. Find the equation of the ellipse. In question number 1 and 2, given equation of ellipse and we have find the vertices, center, foci and equation of major axis, minor axis, etc. Here we have to find the equation of ellipse whose vertices are given. Whose vertices are plus or minus 13, 0 and foci plus or minus 5, 0. Solution, here they are given that vertices and focus. Since the focus lies on x-axis, then x-axis itself the major axis. Here the focus is minus 5, 0 and plus 5, 0 lies on x-axis and the vertices is here 13 is minus 13. Since the vertices or foci and foci lies on x-axis, then the equation of the ellipse is of the form, it is first type, x square by a square plus y square by b square equals 1. In this equation we have to find the value of a and b and we get the required equation of ellipse. Given a is equal to, given vertices plus or minus 13, 0, then a is equal to 13 and foci it is plus or minus 5, 0, then c is equal to 5. We have the formula c square equal to a square minus b square. We have to find b square. B square is equal to a square minus c square, which is equal to 13 square minus 5 square. It is 169 minus 25, which is equal to 144, and we get b is equal to 12. Finally, the required equation of ellipse is, hence the required equation of ellipse is given by x square by a square is 13 square and y square by b square it is 12 square equal to 1 is x square divided by 169 plus y square divided by 144 is equal to 1. Next question number 4. Find the equation of the ellipse whose length of major axis is 20 and foci are 0 plus or minus 5. Here, since the foci lies on y-axis, the major axis is along y-axis. So, the required equation of ellipse is of the type, it is of the type second type, that is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. The required equation of ellipse. It is of the form type 2. since the focus lies on y-axis, is x-axis, y-axis is the major axis, focus here 5, this is minus 5. Given that the length of the major axis is 20, length means from here to here, total length is 20. Now the length of major axis is equal to, given length of major axis, that is 2a equals 20, we get a equals 10. Now we have c square equals a square minus b square. Since c is equal to, given that c is equal to, since the focus is 0 plus or minus 5, focus is 0 plus or minus 5, that implies we get c is equal to 5. Now we have to find b square equal to a square minus c square, which is equal to 10 square minus 5 square, 100 minus 25, we get 75. Then the required equation of ellipse is x square by b square is 75 plus y square by a square is 100 equals 1. Okay, next question number 5. Find the equation of the ellipse with major axis along the x-axis and passing through the points. It passes through the points 4, 3 and minus 1, 4. Given that the major axis is x-axis, then it is of the type, first type, that is will be of the form like this. Here it will be a minus a and it will be b minus b, here c minus c. It passes through 4, 3 and another point is minus 1, 4. Solution: since the major axis lies along the x-axis, major axis lies along the x-axis, so the equation of ellipse is of the form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Equation number 1. The only information in the question is it passes through the point 4, 3 and minus 1, 4, and given that the major axis is x-axis, then we take it is of the type 1. Now the required equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Equation number 1. 1 passes through, the first point is 4, 3, then you substitute in the place of x 4 and y 3, that is 16 by a square plus 9 by b square equals 1. Equation number 2. 1 again passes through, the point minus 1, 4, that implies minus 1 square is 1 by a square plus 16 by b square equals 1. Equation number 3. Equation number 2 and 3. Solving 1 and 2, we have to find the values of a square and b square. Solving 1 and 2 by the method of elimination or by substitution. Just use multiply the second equation by 16 and subtract. That is third equation into 16, we get 16 by a square, 16 into 16 256 by b square equal to 16, and second equation is 16 by a square plus 9 by b square is equal to 1. Just you subtract, you will get 16 by a square will get cancelled. 256 minus 10 is 246, it will be 247. 247 by b square equal to 15. From this you can find b square equals 247 by 15. B square is equal to 249 divided by 15. Substituting the value of b square in equation 1 or 2, substituting b square equal to 247 by 15 in 1 or 2, we get a square is equal to 247 by 7. Now the required equation of ellipse will be x square by a square is 247 by 7 plus y square by b square will be 247 by 15 equal to 1. Get 7x square by 247 plus 15y square by 247 equal to 1. We can write 7x square plus 15y square equals 247. Hope you all understood the concept. Okay. Thank you, students. We will discuss some more problems in our interactive classes. Thank you all.